So we have learned that a function will have a maximum value. So maximum value, when do we have a function maximum? F of x is a function defined in some domain, and it is having a maximum value. Maximum value, the graph itself, you can observe it. If you observe the graph properly, any graph, suppose if you are having a graph like this, so this at this point the maximum value is there, function. So that is nothing but, if you see that, simple definition of the maximum value is that f of a means a is a one pointer. A is a one pointer in the domain of the function. If you consider that, if f of a is always greater than the f of x, for all x belongs to the domain, means x belongs to the domain. डोमेन में x है, so ये x का values में f of x value whatever you are taking, see ये a p place में है, then it is called as a maximum. Simple definition. This is a basic definition of the maximum value. A function will have a maximum value. Okay, this we have learned in the previous class. Okay, and minimum is nothing but the graph will be like this. Minimum value usually, if you observe that, ये minimum है, so that is nothing but for different values of x values whatever you take, that is nothing but a is a one point. Here this is a point a you consider. Here this is a point a. At the point of a the maximum value is there. At the point of a the minimum value is there. That is nothing but f of a is always less than the f of x for all x belongs to the domain. Any domain if you are taking. This is a basic definition of the minimum value, maximum value of a function. Sometimes if you consider what is the minimum value of this graphical function, if you are taking one example graphically I am giving, and the original definition is what is the minimum value of this function if you are taking into consider. There is no minimum value because it is going on decreasing the value. So there is no minimum. Here for this there is no maximum. Okay, if a function exists a minimum or a maximum, if a function will have a minimum and extreme points, we call them as a extreme points. So local minima, local maxima is nothing but, what is meant by local minima, local maxima? So if you observe some through the example easily you can understand. Local minima, local maxima is nothing but, if you are having a graph like this, so if there exists a point here, this is a point, suppose x1 you consider, this is a point x2 you consider, this is a point x3, this is a point x4, like this if you are taking it to consider. You may have in any quadrant, not only like this, suppose you may have the graph like this also. You may have the graph like this also. Graphical representation, if you understand the concept, is little bit easy to you to understand. Graphically if you are understanding, concept is easy to you. So now here x1 is a one point. ये x1 का left side में, left side means थोड़ा सा left side में, and थोड़ा whatever the values are there, that they are lesser values. The values are lesser. So that is nothing but f of x1 is greater than f of x. In the left means ये लेफ्ट साइड राइट साइड थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट साइड थोड़ा सा राइट साइड ले रहा है, थोड़ा लेफ्ट साइड थोड़ा राइट साइड इज नथिंग बट हियर x should be belongs to the x1 minus h, x1 minus h, x1 plus h. x1 minus h is nothing but h is a small value to be taken into consider. So ये local is nothing but इधर से इधर तक पूरा डोमेन में नहीं है, ये पूरा पहले वाला पूरा डोमेन में ले लिया है, and this one is to be taken into consider only local is nothing but a है. So if you are normally thinking that you are the Don in the Dharmanagar local, but you are not Don throughout Tripura. Suppose if you are taking into consider, just general example I am saying, local is nothing but ये इधर से इधर तक ये values है, ये values में x1 to x1 value if you are taking into consider, at the place of x1 this is having maximum value in this interval. So a limited domain is taken into consider. If a limited domain is taken into consider, this is called local maxima. This is also a local maxima. And here the points we are taking local minima, we call it. And original mathematical definition, if you want to see that, mathematical definition will be given to you like this. So this is a thing we have learned it. But every time finding this is a little bit difficult to do. It's not a simple task to you to do every time. So to find there is a procedure, another procedure is there. So to find out the minimum values and local minima and local maxima values, so which is called as a first derivative test, which is called as first derivative test. With the help of the first derivative test, we can find out the values, means local minima value, local maxima value. At what place the minimum will be there, and what is the minimum value. And minimum value also you can find out with the help of this first derivative test. So which is called as a first derivative test. So once let us see here. I'm going to show it to you. Is it visible to you? So this is a definition. This is a definition of the mathematical definition of the local minima. Here I have taken whatever it may be the variable. I have taken x1. Here a is there. X equal to a place में in this, if you observe that here a is given to you. A is given. So x equal to a place में a का left side में a value is decreasing. So this is the another way. Yes, this one. If you are taking C, local maximum value को C का left side, C का right side में C minus H, C plus H, C minus H, C plus H. If you are taking into the value of the f of C is called, because f of C is always greater than the f of x. F of C is always greater than or equals to the f of x, where that x is not belongs to the not complete domain. It's not a complete domain. Complete domain is not taken into consider. So C minus H and C plus H बीच में means H क्या है ये? A small value, a positive value, small positive value to be taken as a H. H is what is H means? थोड़ा सा ये left side, वो थोड़ा कितना होता है बोले तो कितना भी हो सकता है. That is not a main criteria. Suppose little bit value if you are taking, means there is a curve. If you are having a little curve ऐसा थोड़ा सा है, then also we can call that point as a local maxima or local minima. नीचे थोड़ा आया है ऐसा, तो then that point will be local minima. So this is a mathematical definition of the local maximum and local minimum value. Did you understand? Okay. So now here if you see this one, let the point of the local maximum values. Normally if you observe that, if it is taken into consider here, left side say a point A tak it is increasing. The function f is increasing in the interval, increasing ऐसा increase हो रहा है उधर तक. So maximum बोले तो ये always you should keep in your mind, the maximum बोले तो ये graph दिमाग में रखना है. Minimum बोले तो ये graph नीचे वाला point. So ये increase हो रहे, decrease हो रहे. Okay? Did you get my point here? So now here
yes,
this is left side में decrease हो रहा है, इधर ऊपर से start होके decrease हो गया है, and then after increase हो रहा है. ये graph observe करो. Okay, so this is normally the definition, and this is the first derivative test. So first derivative test क्या है? Just let us see here. We have already learned that. We have already learned a example. One example let us take into consider. F of x equal to 2x square is taken into consider. It is defined for all the real numbers. The domain is real numbers. At the point of 0, the mark is showing to the minimum value is there. So that is nothing but f of x is always greater than or equal to 0 for all the real numbers. 0 is only small r. So the minimum value of the function is 0, and the point of point of the minimum value is x equal to 0. Point where the minimum value. So it is not having any maximum value because it's going on increasing the value. So right side में ऊपर जा रहे, left side में ऐसा x value decrease हो रहे तो also that is increasing. So that's why there is no maximum value. So this, with the example of this one only, first derivative test. Maximum value. First we have to take the function, and that function's derivative we need to find out. You are learning applications of derivatives.
Sir,
So derivatives का use क्या है? What?
sir, sir,
Yes.
just now your voice was gone. Will you please repeat that part again?
Now is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Audible.
So here with the example of the first derivative test one, through the example we are going to learn. But the original procedure क्या है, step by step procedure क्या है, also means that also let us learn. So f of x is equal to a function if it is given to you. First we have to find out the derivative of the function. A derivative of the function, if you have to make it as a equals to 0, उसको equal to 0 लेना है. Why we have to take it equals to 0? F dash of x where it becomes 0, there the critical point is there. Critical means no, either neither increasing nor decreasing. Already you learned in increasing decreasing functions. If f dash of x equal to 0, that x where x is there, so it is neither increasing nor decreasing. Already you have learned it, isn't it? So that's why f dash of x to be find out. When you find out f dash of x, and if you make it equals to 0, with that you are going to get the critical points. Critical points aa jayega. So which is nothing but no, not decreasing, not increasing at that place. So first find the derivative of the f of x, that is f dash of x, and for this function f of x equal to 2x square, f dash of x equal to 4x. Through this example easily you can understand, so that's why it is showing to you. Then after will, so then you make it is equals to 0. Why do we make it equals to 0? To find out the critical points. So 4x equal to 0 means x equal to 0 आ जाएगा. So x equal to 0 place में is x equal to 0 is called a critical point. So now a1, a2, an are the roots of the f dash of x. Suppose in this place only you are getting x equal to 0. Suppose if the function derivative you got it as x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Any function's derivative if you got as x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0 ले लिया. So x equal to क्या आएगा? 1, 2, 3 आएगा. You are going to get 1, 2, 3. Like that, f dash x may be anything. So a1, a2, an are the roots of the f dash x. If you consider that, then that points are called the critical points and stationary points. Stationary points. Already you have learned that. In the previous graph I have shown to you. ऐसा ऊपर नीचे जा रहे तो ये points को critical points बोलते हैं and stationary points. I asked you in the next previous class also. So now at this point the behavior of the function we have to check. How the function will be there, we need to check that at these particular points. Okay, so now here in this problem x equal to 0. So consider x equal to a1. Means a1 is nothing but one root you take, and f dash x is greater than 0 in the left neighborhood of values of the a. Left neighborhood is nothing but थोड़ा सा left side में, a का left side में it is greater than 0. So f dash x greater than 0 is nothing but normally you consider that ये है greater than 0 is nothing but f dash x greater than 0 increasing ना, increasing function you keep into your mind. आपका mind में ये increasing function है. So normally क्या है, f dash x is like this greater than 0, 0 से greater है, so increasing function. F dash x is less than 0, it is decreasing function. At that particular point if you are taking into consideration, increasing decreasing function को इधर link करना है. So f dash x greater than 0 in the left neighborhood values of a1, and a right side में f dash x is less than 0, then that a1 is called as local maxima. And local maxima why we are calling, you keep into your mind maxima, local maxima बोले तो ये graph दिमाग में रखो, ऐसा graph दिमाग में रखो. So ये left side में increase हो रहा है, left side में means a1 का left side में increase हो रहा है, a1 का right side में decrease हो रहा है, तो obviously it is local maxima only. So f dash x is greater than 0 and f dash x is less than 0 if you are taking into consider in the right side, right neighborhood mein, then that point is called as x equal to a1 is called as local maxima. And x equal to a1 if you are taking into consider and f dash x is less than 0 means like this, decreasing. Less than 0 is nothing but decreasing, and greater than 0 is nothing but increasing. So that point is what we will call minimum, local minimum. Local minima point we will call, because why do we call local minima? Here a1 is only the one zero you are taking, one root of the equation you are taking into consider. Like that, so many roots will be there. At the point of every root you are going to have the local minima, local maxima. So whether that point is local minima or local maxima, to identify what to do, simply f dash of at that point f dash of x behavior check karna hai. F dash of x, suppose if you are taking here, see f dash of minus 0.1, 1 point left side of 0 is taken into consider. ये less than 0 हो गया. 1 point right side of 0. Why 0 in here? 0 is the root of the f dash of x. f dash of x क्या है इधर? 4x. 4x का equation 0 आ जाएगा. So f dash of x right left side whenever you take it is minus 0.1, substitute कर लो तो less than 0 आ गया है right side. So that is nothing but f dash of x changes the sign from negative to positive. f dash x का sign change हो रहा है negative to positive as x increases from left neighborhood of 0 to right neighborhood of 0. Means left side से right side move कर रहे हैं तो then ये negative से positive में जा रहे हैं. So negative से positive में जा रहे हैं तो local minima है. Positive से negative में जा रहे हैं तो yes, local maximum. So mathematical definition of the that first derivative test whenever you are taking into consider. So let the f be the function defined on an open interval d, and f is a continuous at a critical point a, and f dash of x sign changes from negative to positive as x increases. That is nothing but f dash of x is less than 0 at every point sufficiently close to the left side of a, and f dash of x is greater than 0 to at the point every point sufficiently close to the right side of a. Then a is called local minima, and in the same way, in the reverse way, local maximum. Simple logic you have to remember here, nothing else. Local maxima बोल रहे तो increase to decrease है. f dash of x increasing when you greater than 0, right there, less than 0. So now here whenever you take into consider this graph, a graph consider कर लो, ये point है at the place of 0 the function is 1, and left side of 0 right side of 0 is also equal to 1 only, so it is not changing any value, means it is not at all changing left side of 0 right side of 0. So when these type of 0 is neither local maximum nor local minimum, because left side of 0 right side of 0 it is not changing its behavior, it is equally है, constant value you are having. So लेफ्ट साइड 0 का लेफ्ट साइड में 0 का राइट साइड में ये ग्राफ ऑब्जर्व कर लिया तो. So f dash x does not changes its sign as x increases through the critical point. Increases through the critical point means please concentrate on this point very clearly. Increases through the critical point is nothing but left side से थोड़ा left side से. अब ये नहीं कंसिडर करना है इन दिस सर इधर ले लिया तो डिफरेंट है ना, ये लेफ्ट साइड का 0 है, ये राइट साइड का 0 है. ये पॉइंट -3 ले लो, पॉइंट -3 ले लो, ये लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ 0 है, पॉइंट +3 ले लो, राइट साइड 0 है. इधर पॉइंट इधर तो -3 का प्लेस में एक पॉइंट है, एंड अदरवाइज यू टेक द -4 में नेगेटिव आ रहे f of x. So like that थोड़ा सा मीन्स लेफ्ट साइड मीन्स लोकल मिनिमा बोलने के लिए little bit less than little bit right side values to be taken into consider. Okay, समझ में आया? So then that point A is called point of inflection. What do we call? That point A is called as point of inflection. When there is no neither point, not local maxima, not local minima, it is constantly lead. So now how do we find out the steps? Already we learned the steps. Once again let us see here for finding the local minima, local maxima. First f of x will be given, f dash x find out करो, उसको equal to 0 ले लो. Then इक्वल टू 0 लेने के बाद पॉइंट्स आएगा, दैट पॉइंट्स को क्या बोलते हैं, स्टेशनरी पॉइंट्स बोलते हैं. Okay, are critical points. Usually critical points word is will be used, and at the place of a1 f dash x greater than 0 and f dash of x less than 0, left side of a1 greater than 0, right side of a1 में less than 0, so local maxima. and उसी place में left side में less than 0, so ये graph observe करो, f dash of x less than 0, f dash of this graph you please keep in your mind, so that it that point A is called as a here minimum value, because the graph is itself it is showing to you minimum value, local minima also you can say, and minimum value, because in all the minimum local minima which is having a decreasing है इधर से इधर देखो decreasing है, and here increasing, right side whenever you take it is increasing, the function is increasing. Okay, is it
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir. हाँ, sir.
So here then the point A is called as a minimum value, that point A is called local minima, and this here in this graph it is a minimum, because in all if there is a graph like this and whenever you take that graph, A is called here in this case maximum, because increasing है, decreasing है, increasing, decreasing, already I told you, this one you keep into your mind so that it is an easy task to you. So first derivative test में we have learned that one. So second derivative test is little bit easy to you to make the solve the problems here. Second derivative test. So in the first derivative test, what we did here, we have find the f dash of a is equals to 0. Okay, so f dash of a is equals to means at the place of a 0 you got here a place में 0 got increasing and decreasing है, ये in this place a is called as a maximum value or local maxima बोलते हैं. So okay, so this second derivative test is also very much useful to you. In easiest way you can find out here, it is not easy to you to compare the values, so that's why second derivative test. Second derivative test में we will find out the derivative of the function twice, second derivative test. So 2 times derivative करते हैं. So second derivative test में, so what is the second derivative test? Let us see here. So f is a function defined on an interval I, and a is belongs to the I. See, if the concept understood, the problems can be solved in easiest way. So because that's why I'm spending more time to you to explain this concept to you, because there is a different type of the word problems will be there, story related, sphere related problem is there, and all the problems, cone, volume of the cone, volume of the sphere, conversions of the volumes, surface area related, all these different type of the questions will be there. So to solve such type of the questions and to understand such type of the questions, concept is very much essential. That's why I'm taking the more stress on the concept of this maxima and minima. Problems, normal problems can be solved in easiest way. It's not very difficult to you. So what to do here in the second derivative test? F dash of a 0 लेना है, f double dash of a you have to take. F double dash of a is less than 0, then the a is point of local maxima. F double dash of, and f of a is the local maximum value of the function. See here, in case what to do here, second derivative test में f dash of a equal to 0 लेना है, 0 होना है, and f double dash of a at that particular point a का double means second derivative you have to do. So second derivative करके वो value less than 0 हो गया है second derivative, then you can say that local maximum value, that is less than 0 हो गया तो second derivative local maximum, and f of a is called local maximum value, means at that point function में a value substitute करना है, at what places you are, so that is only usually is called as a maximum value, local maximum value. And in the same way f double dash of a greater than 0 हो गया, if it is greater than 0, देन लोकल मिनिमा। रिवर्स में होता है, याद रखने के लिए एफ डबल डैश एफ ये लेस देन 0 हो गया, लोकल मैक्सिमा। लेस देन 0 इज नथिंग बट हियर what it means usually f double dash of a. So then this test fails if you are having f dash of a equal to 0, f double dash of a also equal to 0. Then you need to check the originally first derivative test के through check करना पड़ता है. So through the examples, one example if you are taking into consider, easily you can understand how do we use the second derivative test. Okay. So given f dash of a equal to 0, okay, and f double dash of a less than 0 आया है हमको, then a is called maximum. Why do we call it is maximum? Means normally the proof here, the proof, why do we call it as a proof? Mean normally second derivative test में क्या करते हैं, derivation. So this little bit you may get confused here with this, but you can understand it's not very difficult to you. Proof of the why do we call less than 0 means maximum, f double dash of a is less than 0 means why do we call it is as a maximum means you see here original definition of the derivative क्या है, f dash of x equal to f of a plus h, limit h tends to 0, f dash of a derivative of a function at a, derivative of a function at a is nothing but limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a by h. But here f double dash of a is saying means limit h tends to 0, f dash of a plus a minus f dash of a by h. So that implies here f dash of a is equals to 0, f dash of a place में 0 substitute कर लो, then what you are going to get here, f dash of a plus h by h is less than 0 you are going to get here, less than 0. Less than 0 already it is given to you. So this is less than 0 is nothing but f dash of a plus h by h is less than 0 you need to get. That is nothing but h less than 0 or h greater than 0. Two cases will be there. If h is less than 0, f double dash of a plus h क्या होगा, greater than 0 होगा, because नेगेटिव है ना, f dash of a plus h by h is negative, f dash of a plus h by h is negative. So this is a how do we prove that one, that is रहेगा. So that means f dash of a plus h is greater than 0 means right side of the a greater than 0, a का right side में a point का right side में a plus h is greater than 0. Okay, first case में. सेकेंड केस में क्या है, h ग्रेटर देन 0 हो सकता है, देयर इज अ चांस ऑफ h, देन f डैश ऑफ a प्लस h क्या होगा, लेस देन 0 हो गया, isn't it? So this one normally you have taken. So if f dash of a plus h is greater than 0 if you are taking into consider, से फर्स्ट केस में कंसिडर कर लिया तो two cases will occur here. f has a local maximum at a point a, because hence f has a local maximum at a point a. So local maximum value f of a, right side of a it is greater than 0. So right side of a is greater than 0 and left side of right side of a, in case h value if you are taking into consider, h should be taken as a positive. Already you know the definition. Here you see the second case. Second case में h we have to, as per the definition, h should be taken as a greater than 0. h should be greater than 0. Man, already I told the definition ना, h क्या है, थोड़ा सा positive value लेना है. So थोड़ा positive value is nothing but here h is sufficiently smaller, real number should be taken, positive real number. So that means second case only to be taken consider. Second case में क्या है, f of a plus h में less than 0 आ रहा है. So a का right side में less than 0. Less than 0 is nothing but decreasing. So that means a का right side में decrease हो रहे तो ये क्या होगा, maximum होगा ना. So that's why f is called as a maximum. So working rule, how do we find out the working rule to find out the extreme values? Means extreme values is nothing but either maximum or a minimum value. First क्या करना है, f dash of x find out करना है. ये maximum है, पहले वाला थोड़ा सा आप लोगों को कंफ्यूज हो गया होगा, वो प्रूफ वाला वो उतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, बट यू हैव टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट. ओके, ओनली 1 2 3 4 मेंबर्स है. व्हाट हैपन अदर्स? Oh, 7 members are. Okay, okay. So here this is a working rule. Working rule is nothing but problem solve करने के लिए ये मेथड यूज करना है. फर्स्ट एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स फाइंड आउट करना है, किधर किधर जीरो आ रहे हैं दैट पॉइंट्स फाइंड आउट करना है. एट दैट पॉइंट्स एफ डबल डैश ऑफ एक्स, एफ डबल डैश ऑफ x1, एफ डबल डैश ऑफ x2, एफ डबल डैश ऑफ x3 फाइंड आउट करना है. सपोज एफ डबल डैश ऑफ x1 is greater than 0. x1 is called as a x1 is called as the place of x1 there is a local greater than 0, less than 0 means local maximum, greater than 0 means local minimum. F of x1 is, do remember that x1 is not called as a minimum value, local minimum value. F of x1, at the place of x1 local minima will exist, at the place of x1 local minima will exist, and f of x1 function में that x1 value substitute करते तो what value you will get, that value is called as a local maximum when f double dash of x less than 0. F double dash of x greater than 0 means local minimum. Okay, is it clear to you? सिंपल है फंक्शन. फंक्शन प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं तो समझ में आएगा. एक प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं, लास्ट में प्रॉब्लम भी दिखा दूंगा. देन आफ्टर यस देखो, ये लोकल मैक्सिमम मिनिमम वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. फंक्शन दे दिया 2x³ - 21x² + 36x - 20. फर्स्ट क्या करना है, व्हाट टू डू फर्स्ट, इसका f डैश ऑफ x फाइंड आउट करना है, डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट करना है. So the derivative of this function we are going to get as a 6x² - 42x + 36, and इसको equal to 0 लेना है. equal to 0 ले लिया तो what do we get, critical points आ जाएगा. So उसको factorize करो, x² - 7x + 6 को factorize करना है. then x - 6 into x - 1, x equal to 1, 6. that is nothing but 1, 6 में critical points. वो maximum हो सकता है, minimum भी हो सकता है. वो टर्म होता है, टर्निंग पॉइंट्स आल्सो यू कैन कॉल टर्निंग पॉइंट्स. नॉर्मली व्हेनेवर यू कॉल देम एज ऐसे टर्न होता है उस प्लेस में. 1 का प्लेस में टर्न होता है मींस नीचे से ऊपर हो सकता है, ऊपर से नीचे हो सकता है. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस यू कैन ड्रा द इवन अप्रोक्सीमेशन ग्राफ आल्सो. आई विल शो इट टू यू. इसमें नहीं दिखाया है. सो इसमें क्या करना है, वो व्हाट आर द पॉइंट्स यू गॉट, 1 and 6 you got 1 and 6 you got. so f double dash of x find out करो. f double dash of x में क्या है, 12x - 42 है. no, at the place of 1 f double dash of x क्या है, सिंपल है. प्रॉब्लम इज वेरी सिंपल. आप लोगों को प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते तो इसमें ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं होता. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना इजी है, बट कॉन्सेप्ट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड वेरी क्लियरली. क्यों ऐसा है, why it is like that. So that's why I explained to you all this much. Okay, if double dash of 1 is -30, so can you say that at what point, at the point of 1, whether f of x is having a local minima or local maximum? Anyone? F double dash of x 1 is less than 0. F double dash of 1 is less than 0. Less than 0 means anyone? Glory, Anurag.
Yes, sir. Local maxima.
Yes, less than 0 means local maxima. Simple. Very good. It is local maxima. At the place of that point, local maxima. In the same way, you find out 6 का place में substitute कर लो. 12 6 जा. And here, what is the local maxima value? फाइंड आउट करने के लिए फंक्शन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है वो वन को फंक्शन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. सो व्हाट डू यू गेट? वन को फंक्शन में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया तो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द -3. -3 इज लोकल मैक्सिमा. 6 ले लो. 6 में ग्रेटर देन 0 आ रहा है, सो लोकल मिनिमा है. लोकल मिनिमा है, दैट इज इट? यस, एंड द वैल्यू इज दैट वन. ओके. So now here, with the help of this and this one you have remembered. So what are the values you got? Let us write on the board. Graph थोड़ा सा कैसे हो सकता है? How the graph will be there? How the graph will be there? Let us see. So first I will write the values here. The function is given to you. F of x is equals to 2x cube minus 21x square plus 36x minus 20. Okay? X is equals to 1, 6 at the critical points. Okay? And here f double dash of 1 you got it as a less than 0. And the point is f of 1 is equals to -3 आया है. F double dash of 6 is greater than 0. F of 6 value you got it as a 30. So now with the help of this, I am going to stop the sharing here, so that now is the board is clearly visible.
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Yes, sir.
These are the things. Why I am showing to you. With the help of this, even you can draw the rough graph. Rough graph भी draw कर सकते हैं. Roughly, because the function is having local maxima at 1. So now that is nothing but you take the points here. A 1 है, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 का place में function value क्या आया? At the place of 1, -3 आया. So there is nothing but here -1, -2, -3. So this is a point you are going to have. 1 point. Graph ये graph में ये point होता. Okay, and f of 6 का प्लेस में 30 आया. 30 approximately you may consider here. इधर consider करो. और जो थोड़ा बड़ा होता है. Now ग्राफ कैसे ड्रा कर सकते हैं इसका? See here, what is given to you? 1 is at the place of 1 local maximum. At the place of 1 local maximum. Is it? Locally maxima at the place of 1 and at the place of 6 locally minima. So that is nothing but what you can say 1 का left side में the graph whenever you are taking into consider original में 1 का left ये maximum है, local maximum. ये point local maximum है. So that is nothing but इसका left side if you are taking into consider the graph may be like this. इसका right side भी graph ऐसा हो सकता है. Isn't it? ये है graph में एक part में draw कर रहा हूँ. Just one part of the graph and drawing to just guess करने के लिए. आप चाहते हो तो इसमें ये graph भी draw कर सकते हैं. इसमें different values substitute करो. 0 substitute करो. If you substitute 0 in this, what do you get? -20 आ जाएगा. So 0 substitute कर ले तो -20. That is nothing but you are going to get the ये इधर approximately मैंने draw कर लिया है, but you are going to get like this graph. -20 आ रहा है, 0 substitute कर लिया तो if you substitute 0 in this function में 1 substitute कर लिया तो -3. But without substitution, approximately the graph कैसे हो सकता है? You try to substitute the number here at the place of 6. 6 का place में f dash of x is 0. F dash of x is 0 you are getting. And 1 का place में the function value is -3 you are getting. Function value is -3. So एट दैट प्लेस इधर डिक्रीज हो गया है एंड 6 भी ऐसा कंसीडर कर लिया तो एट द प्लेस ऑफ 6 का प्लेस में कैसे हो सकता है ग्राफ? ये है 30 मार्क, ये क्या है 6 क्या है? व्हाट इज द 6? एट द प्लेस ऑफ 6 देयर इज ए मिनिमम वैल्यू, लोकल मिनिमा, वो लोकली मिनिमा है, लोकली मिनिमम मींस उसके आसपास मिनिमा है। सो मिनिमम इज नथिंग बट ये है, ऐसा होता है। एंड यू ट्राई टू ड्रॉ द ग्राफ ऑफ दिस फंक्शन, इसमें आप वैल्यूज 0 to 6 तक वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करके देखो हाउ इट बिहेव्स। दिस इज एक्सपेरिमेंटली यू हैव टू डू इट। मैं सजेशन में दे रहा हूँ। इसमें क्या है 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया -20 आएगा, 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया 3 आएगा, और 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया तो टाइम्स क्या आएगा? इसमें 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करके चेक करो व्हाट वैल्यू आर गेटिंग मार्क दैट पॉइंट 3 4 5 6 7 these many values you substitute करके एक ग्राफ ड्रा करो and you see that here the graph like this, here the graph here like this you are going to get. You check at home. Because as per the definition it is like that only, as per the problem is like that only. A problem is, that means internally what is going on you need to observe. Internally what is going on means वो प्रॉब्लम है, ये सब सॉल्व करना है, डबल डैश ऑफ x फाइंड आउट करना है, डबल डैश ऑफ x आफ्टर फाइंडिंग डबल डैश ऑफ x फाइंड आउट करने के बाद लेस देन 0 आए तो मैक्सिमम है, लेस देन 0 आए तो मैक्सिमम है, ग्रेटर देन 0 आए तो मिनिमम है। ये ब्लाइंडली याद नहीं रखना है, प्लीज डोंट लर्न द सब्जेक्ट लाइक इट। दिस इज अ वे चेक करना है, हाँ ये प्रॉब्लम है, इसमें रियली ऐसा बोल रहे तो ग्राफ तो एक पार्ट में ग्राफ तो आपको 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करके मैंने दिखाया है। I have shown to you by substituting 0. Like that you substitute 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो एंड कैसे आएगा? 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया तो भी नेगेटिव वैल्यू आएगा एंड 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया एंड 5 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लो, 7 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लो, एटलीस्ट not all the values. But if you substitute 0 1 0 to 7 all the values, then you will come to know that original graph कैसे होगा। किसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है? फंक्शन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, so that you will be able to analyze. आप analyze easily कर सकते हैं, that's all. Okay, समझ में आया? So now this is a way to you to find out. So now here let us see. समझ में आया ना? ट्राई करो घर पे, मीन्स आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ द क्लास यू ट्राई इमीडिएटली so that you will be able to understand here. So now here minimum value maximum value of the closed interval. Suppose if the closed interval में open interval में कैसे होगा? Open interval whenever you are taking into consider, open interval में if your f of x equal to 2x minus 1 is taken into consider and -2 to +2 is taken into consider. So that is nothing but -2 is not included, +2 is not included. And if you observe properly, there is no fixed maximum value in this. It is increasing. And maximum value is neither maximum value, neither minimum value is there in this open interval whenever it is taken into consider. Okay? Open interval ले लिए तो no. Suppose if you are restricting to this one to the closed interval, same closed interval में ले लिया तो -2 पे नीचे है, ग्राफ ऑब्जर्व करो। -2 में क्या है? लीस्ट वैल्यू है, सो -2 पे मिनिमम वैल्यू होगा, +2 पे मैक्सिमम वैल्यू होगा। क्लोज्ड इंटरवल व्हेनेवर यू आर टेकिंग, ओपन इंटरवल में देयर इज नो चांस। सो दैट इज नथिंग बट f is continuous in the closed interval and f is strictly increasing in the closed interval, and f has a maximum minimum values in that closed interval only. Okay, so this is the observation you can do it. And at the place of -2 the value is -5. -5 is minimum value. At the place of 2 the value is 3. So then this is maximum value. So f has neither local maximum nor local minimum. Local maximum local minimum है, completely absolute maximum है, ग्राफ ऐसा नहीं है। So then is called as, that 2 points are called as absolute maximum value. So absolute maximum is +3. At what place? 2 का प्लेस में, एब्सोल्यूट मिनिमम वैल्यू किधर है, -2 का प्लेस में. व्हाट इज एब्सोल्यूट मिनिमम वैल्यू, -5. -5 को एब्सोल्यूट मिनिमम वैल्यू बोलते हैं. एट व्हाट प्लेस -5 को एब्सोल्यूट मिनिमम वैल्यू बोलते हैं. एट व्हाट प्लेस, -2 का प्लेस में, x इक्वल टू -2. सो व्हेन द ग्राफ इज नाइदर लाइक दिस, कर्व की जैसा नहीं है, एंड नो लोकल मैक्सिमम लोकल मिनिमम. देखो ये है, एक कर्व दे दिया है. दिस इज अ वन कर्व, different points are given to you closed interval में. So now if you are taking x equal to x2, x4, x6, x2, x4, x6, they are what points? Locally minimum. नीचे है ना, locally minimum है. Now here if you are taking this one, these points, the function has a local maxima at a x3, x5 and x7. x3, x5 ऊपर है ना, उधर local maxima है. Now here if you are taking into consider the function value you find out in all these x1 to x6 में, which is minimum value you are having in all these points. All these points are called what? Critical points. All these points are called critical points. Critical points में function value find out करो, function value find out करो, and in all these which is minimum, that is only the minimum value of the function. In all these which is maximum, that is only the called. Can anyone expect that from this graph, at what point you are having a minimum value? Okay, minimum, yes, you can expect. Can you say what is the minimum? At what point minimum value of the function is there? Please. At what point the minimum value of the function? सबसे कम minimum is nothing but. ग्राफ ऑब्जर्व करके बोलना. Simple question. I'm not asking very difficult to you. No?
x2.
That's all. Very simple. अरे all the points में नीचे किधर है? At x2. What is the minimum?
x2.
What is the minimum value बोले तो f of x2. ग्राफ ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं हम लोग. ये ग्राफ ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं. ओके, समझ में आ रहा है? ये क्लोज्ड इंटरवल में लेना है. क्लोज्ड इंटरवल मीन्स ये x1 to x8 तक ले दे दिया है. It is a closed interval. When the closed interval is given to you. So x1 का प्लेस में भी फाइंड आउट करना है, 8 का प्लेस में भी. सपोज क्लोज्ड इंटरवल इफ इट इज गिवन टू यू -2, +2. सो -2 का प्लेस में फंक्शन वैल्यू, 2 का प्लेस में फंक्शन वैल्यू, 8 क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स फंक्शन वैल्यू. In all this which is minimum, that is the minimum value of the function. Okay, and maximum क्या है? Can you say, Develina?
Answer x3.
x3. At x3 is not maximum value. At x3 maximum value is there.
Okay.
So that is called absolute maximum. Here f of x3 is absolute maximum. F of x2 in this graph, f of x2 is absolute minimum. F of x2 is absolute minimum. The definition you see absolute minimum बोले तो f of c is less than f of x for all x belongs to in the interval. Absolute. Same way absolute maximum है. ये तो समझ में आया ना, सिंपल है. So ये x1, x2, x3 कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? x1, x2, x1 तो पता है, x8 पता है. x2, x3, x4, x7 तक कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? कैन यू से? फंक्शन को डेरिवेटिव करना है, डेरिवेटिव को इक्वल 0 लेना है, इक्वल टू 0 लेना है. इक्वल टू 0 क्यों लेना है? नाइदर इंक्रीजिंग नॉर डिक्रीजिंग पॉइंट है, वो क्रिटिकल पॉइंट है, स्टेशनरी पॉइंट है. सो इफ यू मेक इट इक्वल्स टू 0, 0 को इक्वल कर दिया तो एट दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट, at what point it is becoming 0, that points are critical points. That points are critical points. Okay, समझ में आया ना? Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
So absolute maximum, absolute minimum, this is. So the important point क्या है? F is continuous in the closed interval and F attains absolute value and absolute minimum value एटलीस्ट वंस इन द क्लोज्ड इंटरवल, उधर वो क्लोज्ड इंटरवल में किधर भी हो सकता है, देयर एग्जिस्ट क्लोज्ड इंटरवल, आइदर मे बी ए पॉइंट में हो सकता है, बी पॉइंट में हो सकता है। एब्सोल्यूट मैक्सिमम तो हो सकता है in the closed interval. Suppose if you have taken the one example I have shown to you, -2 to +2 interval में open interval ले लिया तो no maximum no minimum, but closed if you are taking, there is a maximum value, there is minimum value. Okay, so f is differentiable function in the closed interval, second point में, then f is attains some absolute maximum value or absolute minimum value in any place where alpha belongs to 0, f dash of alpha is 0. So local maxima, local minima occur alternatively, that is between every two local minima, local maxima. And local minima at some points may be greater than local maxima, at some points other points. ये fourth point समझ में आया? Try to understand the fourth point here. Wait. Once again see here. See here one example ले लेते हैं. ये fourth point, this fourth point you see, local maxima at some points may be greater than the local maxima at some other points. ये है local minima, local minima, ये local minima है, x2 local minima है, x4 local minima है, x6 local minima है in this graph. In this, at some points may be greater than the local minima at some other points. So in all these, some greater value is there. x2 मिनिमम है एंड x4 थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, x6 और थोड़ा ही ज़्यादा है. सो इन ऑल दिस x4 इज मैक्सिमम. इन लोकल मिनिमा में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या है, ग्रेटर वैल्यू क्या है, x4 है. सो x4 को हाईलाइट करके दिखा दिया है वो. सो दीज आर द सम पॉइंट्स देयर एग्जिस्ट, जस्ट सम पॉइंट्स. ओके. So now here see the one example here in the closed interval, f of x is equals to 4x cube. With this example we will conclude the class. Minus 8x square plus 1, and x belongs to closed interval -1 to +2. Okay, so little bit forward. First f dash of x find out करना है. Critical points के लिए इसको equal to 0 लेना है. Equal to 0 ले लिया तो x equal to 0 and 4/3 आएगा. x equal to 0 और x equal to 4/3. x equal to 0, 4/3 में critical points है. Either may be a critical greater than 0 or less than 0. f double dash of x you have to find. So f double dash of x find out करना है. So now f of 0 का place में without a second derivative test, second derivative से वो करना है normally. So now f of 0 find out करो, 1 आया. f of 4/3 find out करो, 1 some value आएगा. f of -1 भी find out करना है because -1 is a closed interval में सबसे least value. So ये value f of 4/3 -101/27 आया. f of -1 find out करो. Absolute maximum, absolute minimum value find out करने हैं. Absolute is nothing but सबसे ज़्यादा closed interval में, उससे ज़्यादा कोई maximum value नहीं है. -11 आया है. f of 2 find out करो, +1 आया है. And here if you take that, in all this maximum value क्या है? What is the maximum value? At 0 and at 2 you are having a maximum value. 1 is a maximum in all this. -11, 1, -101/27 and 1. So the maximum value is 1. So the maximum value of this function is 1. It attains at 0 and 2. 0, 2 का प्लेस में मैक्सिमम वैल्यू. इसका ग्राफ ड्रा कर सकते हैं इससे, यही बोल रहा हूं मैं. ये देख के ग्राफ ड्रा करना है, ग्राफ देख के हम उसका बिहेवियर बोलना है. ये समझ में आया है, देन यू लर्न द मैक्सिमा मिनिमा concept very easily. देखो ये प्रॉब्लम देख के ग्राफ को रफ ग्राफ एटलीस्ट आई एम आस्किंग, किधर ऐसा किधर मैक्सिमम वैल्यू आएगा सबसे ज्यादा, रफ ग्राफ एटलीस्ट यू शुड बी रेडी टू ड्रा इट. ट्राई करो इसका ग्राफ ड्रा करने के लिए, ट्राई करके मुझे क्लासरूम में भेज दो. इसका ग्राफ अप्रोक्सीमेटली कैसे होगा, नॉट सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग, ओनली ऑब्जर्विंग दीज वैल्यूज. 0 का प्लेस में 1 है, -1 का प्लेस में -11 है, 4/3 का प्लेस में ये है, 2 का प्लेस में 1 है. ये वैल्यूज ऑब्जर्व करके किधर टर्न होगा, किधर नीचे से होगा, वो देखना है. सबसे ज्यादा मैक्सिमम 0 एंड 2 का प्लेस में होगा. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट उससे ऊपर किधर भी नहीं जाएगा ग्राफ. एंड सबसे नीचे क्या हो जाएगा, -11 है. सो -11 विल बी देयर एट -1. सो टर्निंग भी किधर किधर होगा भी पता चलता है. सो एब्सोल्यूट मैक्सिमम वैल्यू इज 1, minimum value is -11. And at what places absolute maximum value is at 0 and 2, absolute minimum value at -1. So this is the thing, and the working rule is क्या करना है. फर्स्ट सिंपल यही है, क्लोज इंटरवल दे दिया है, f of x फाइंड आउट करो, f dash of x को 0 ले लो, इक्वल टू 0 करो. इक्वल टू 0 करने के बाद एट व्हाट प्लेसेस 0 यू आर गेटिंग, एट दैट प्लेसेस एंड A and B का प्लेस में f of x वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. In all these which is maximum value, that is absolute maximum. In all these which is minimum value, that is absolute minimum. That's all. That is only the working rule. Here see, f dash of x 0 find out करो for the critical points. Find the value of the function at all the critical points and also f of a and f of b. Means at a and b also you have to find out. So absolute minimum value क्या है, minimum value, minimum of all these, all the values of the critical points and f of a and f of b. Absolute maximum क्या है, maximum value of all the critical points, values of the function at critical points and f of a and f of b. So this is about the absolute maximum and absolute minimum and maxima and minimum concept. Okay, समझ में आया ना? So let us solve the problems.
Yes, sir.
Problems solve करते हैं. In the next class, we'll solve the problems. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So exercise problems, try करो. Starting problems a little bit easy only. If you observe the graph, and I'm going to select the different type of the problems. बहुत ज़्यादा problems हैं. सारा नहीं बोल, means explain करना बहुत time लगता है. And through the example problems, this much concept I told you. Then you can understand. And what are the different type of the problems are there, that I will select and I will explain to you. The remaining you have to do as a homework. Okay? Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You can.
Thank you, sir.